Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a new project in the programming software Master2X. So after downloading and installing Master2, you are going to open the software and then be redirected to this main page. And to create a new project, simply go to the File tab on the top left corner of the screen, then click on New Project. A new window will open where you can select the option Standard Project, and then down here you can give a name to your project. So let's say Next2XF tutorial. And in this last option, in the three dots, you can select your projects folder. So let me select one. Okay. And then after specifying our project's folder and name, we are going to select our controller's model. So here I'm going to select XF325W. And when you select each one of these models right here, you can see on the right corner of the window the specifications for the controller. So let's go to the next tab, Profile. Here you can select your project's profile. And since we only have one option, I'll leave it like that. And finally, in Programs, you can select the standard programming language of your project. So I'll go here, select Ladder Logic Diagram, which is the programming language I mostly use, and then finally, click on Finish. It will take a while to load up the project, and there we go. That's how you create a new project in Master2X, and I see you on the next video.